Hey, Chung here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Stomp text slide inside of Premiere Pro, and also inside of this video there is a link hidden where you can download the preset from. And here we actually go and start showing you how to make the effect yourself. So let's start with pressing this T tool. Let's go to an area where we don't have anything. We just press here on the preview screen and we're going to type text subscribe. So make sure to subscribe, and we're going to drag this, make this sure it's middle, and also make the text here in the middle. And we're going to make this effect or this text about 1 second. So I'm on the 25p timeline. So I'm here at the start of this text and hold down shift and arrow to the right 5 times for 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it like that. And now we're going to add some effect here. So we're going to either, if we already have the preset, just drag and drop onto here and that would work. We're going to show you how to make the actual effect. So the first one we need is linear wipe. So type in linear and you will see linear wipe. Drag it onto the text. And the other one we need is transform. So drag that also onto the text. Now go here and I'm going to add some keyframes here. So at the linear wipe, we're going to make this 100 first. Click this and now hold down shift arrow to the right 2 times for 10 frames and make this 0. Okay, so now we have this effect going on and we want it to be opposite. So we want this to be actually minus 90 instead of 90. So minus 90, so it'd be like this. So it's the more correct direction. So now adding the slide effect. So we're going to move here to the front and make this position to be 1240 and add a keyframe here by pressing the stopwatch. Now hold down shift arrow to the right once and change this back to 1280 and now to the end and change this to 1320. So it's like just 40 pixel difference, but might be different if you are using 1080p or 4K, because I'm on a 2.5 timeline. That's why I'm using these parameters. And now if we play this, and actually, so now when we play this, it looks okay, but we're going to change one thing here. This one, we're going to right mouse click on it and change to Bezier. So Bezier, what it does, it will change a little bit or ease in out this one. So now that is done, so it adds like a slight ease in it. So that's done. So basically now if we want to use the preset, we can just do basically the same here. Chung Dha, and also with this in the middle, make this 1 second. So just quick way to do it like this. Move it here. Just go to effects control and go to the preset. So the Stomp text slide, drag it onto the clip. And here we have the effect. So now you see a link on the screen. Just type that onto your browser and go to my website, and there you just follow the instructions how to download it and also how to install the preset. There'll be a video how to do that. So that was the Stomp text slide. Hope you guys found this a very interesting video. If you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.